Is criminal investigation an art or science? Criminal investigation is widely recognized as both an art and science. It is because solving crimes requires not only technical knowledge but also human skills and intuition. First, it is science because it uses systematic procedures. Investigators do not simply guess or rely on instinct alone. They use established principles and techniques that have been tested over time. For example, scientific methods such as fingerprint examination, ballistics, DNA testing, forensic chemistry, and autopsy reports are applied to gather facts objectively. These procedures ensure accuracy, credibility, and reliability, and most importantly, they make evidence established in court. They make the evidence admissible in court. Without science, investigations would lack precision and could easily lead to wrongful conclusion. Science therefore provides the foundation of truth in the investigative process. But investigation also very much an art. It is because science alone cannot solve crimes. Human creativity, judgment, and experience plays a crucial role. Each case is different and no two crime scenes are exactly the same. An investigator must know how to read people's behavior, interpret body language, and build reports with witness during interview. He or she must also be able to see patterns, connect seemingly unrelated clues, and make quick yet careful decision when evidence is limited. These abilities are not purely science. They are involved in skill, instinct, and the ability to think outside the box. This is the art of investigation, which often makes the difference between solving a case and leaving it unsolved. In practice, the best investigators are those who can combine both sides. They respect and apply scientific principles to maintain accuracy and fairness, but they also use the art of investigation, creativity, intuition, and experience to fill the gaps and adapt to the complex situation. A purely scientific investigator may lack flexibility, while a purely artistic one may risk overlooking factual accuracy. It's the balance between art and science that makes investigation effective. In conclusion, criminal investigation cannot be reduced to just one dimension. It is a science because it grounded an evidence and systematic procedure, but it is also an art because it requires human skills, insight, and judgment. Together, these elements makes criminal investigation a unique discipline that can serve not only to uncover the truth but also to ensure that justice is fairly and effectively delivered.